right, Matthew, thank you. You know, with the heat wave, this is the worst time for your AC to break. So we're going to send it back out to Taylor to find out some tips for all of us. Hey, Taylor.
Hey, Homa, I don't know if it's a joke almost on me that I'm doing this segment, but my AC actually went out last weekend, and I learned a huge lesson this week. Fortunately, it was an easy fix for me. However, heading into this heat wave, the high heat the next couple of days, you really need to have the AC cranking. And unfortunately, this is also the time of year where people start to have issues with their AC. So joining me this morning are the folks from John C. Flood. We have Chris Thompson joining us this morning. Tell me a little bit about how you can actually tell your AC is dying.
Well, you have some pretty good signs that your system's about to go bye-bye if you are turning your thermostat on 74 and it's not getting below 80 degrees. And, of course, if it's also blowing hot air, that usually is a good sign that it's time to look for another system, possibly.
Right. And, I had the issue of it was just blowing hot air, but I had an easy fix. The starter component just went. So,
right.
Fortunately, easy to fix in just an hour or so. But for everyone else, you also should probably have your AC maintenance throughout the year.
Absolutely, absolutely. You at least once you do the AC, obviously in early spring. Obviously, if people wait a little later in the summer, it becomes a little bit more challenging because obviously if people like you, their system goes out. And we have people that are also calling the same time to get their system maintenance and have it checked out and make sure it is working.
And you guys do your best you can to get out there ASAP, but this is also the time of year where you're probably seeing an influx of traffic.
Just a little bit. Right.
All right, how can I, when should I actually replace my unit?
Well, older systems use an old refrigerant called R22, which is not even made. It hasn't been made in over a decade. So if you have an older system more than 10 years old, it's using an old refrigerant. So if it's not cooling and there's an issue with your line, you're not going to be able to recharge it. And it's going to be, that's one of the big signs is you need to replace it. And newer systems are much more energy efficient.
Right, exactly. And when there is an issue, how do I repair or replace it? Call you guys.
And we'll come out as quickly as we can. We'll send somebody out to investigate what's going on with your system. But right now, I mean, you can get tax credits up to $2,000 from the federal government towards a new system, an energy efficient system. So, I mean, it's one of those things, if you have an older system, like I said, they only make the refrigerator anymore, and most contractors like ourselves don't even carry it on our truck.
Right.
So if it's not cooling and that's one of the big systems, you're going to have to get it replaced.
And where can folks find out more information?
You can go to johncflood.com.
All right. Thank you so much, Chris.
Thank you so much.
All right, Homer, we're going to send it back into you in the nice, cool AC.
All right, stay cool out there is still to come. The U.S. House getting a handle on artificial intelligence, what lawmakers are planning to have the Commerce Department look into.